This one's for the doctors, dentists, and accountants. I have a disproportionately large number of them on my Great Investments program who are worried about their pension growth. They know they're working really hard in their careers. They're earning good money. They might be in their 40s and 50s, but they know the growth is really poor with their IFA, fund manager, whoever wealth management company, usually sadly St. James's Place they're using. And what they want to know is, well, why isn't it growing? And then when we do a free educational pension review for them, they discover the key ways, usually because too many fees, too many layers of fees by the wealth manager, the wrong funds, basically ones which are spraying and praying in a whole load of regions in the name of diversification and putting very little money into anything that's growing, the lack of communication from the firms, the lack of understanding that the client wants growth, but forcing them into a preordained model that they already have or a house view that they have, which is no, you've got to put it here, you've got to do this. Whereas what the client's saying is, I want more results, more growth. And we know the growth exists because both the UK and US stock markets are at all-time highs. So if you haven't been getting 20 to 25% per annum for the last 3 years, which is just simply what the broader market's done, then you've got to ask yourself, is it time to sack the IFA? And especially if you're a doctor, dentist, or accountant, because you're the ones who are working incredibly hard. You're the ones who probably make up about 30% of all our clients. If you'd like a free educational pension review, go to campaignforamillion.com or alpeshpatel.com. They'll both take you to the same place. We've also got a ton of free tools, resources, and even download a copy of one of my 18 international best-selling books on investing. I'm Alpesh Patel, a hedge fund manager, Financial Times author, former Financial Times columnist, and Bloomberg TV presenter as well. I'm here to help. I hope you'll get in touch. Thank you.